Hi, welcome to Yarn Again. My name is Teresa, and this is Merry Maxim Friday Day. Okay, this came today. It was Friday, and I had nothing to put up today, and I thought, well, heck, I haven't done a Merry Maxim in a while because it hasn't been shipped here in a while because this is the quarterly throw subscription. The throw subscription is $29 and change before shipping, and shipping is usually under $7. I will have the link down below. I am an affiliate, so if you use the link down below, I do get a little bit of their proceeds. It doesn't affect you at all. And this is this quarter's lovely blanket. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It comes with enough yarn to make the blanket, and I'm sure, and then some. Look at this yarn. It is as soft as it is shiny. It is a Nako. I don't know if you ever used this brand before, the Nako Mona Lisa. It's got the little pretty little swan. It reminds me of Hawaii. And it has, oh wow, it is really soft. 100% premium acrylic, and it is yeah, that I can't read that. I apologize, but it's soft. And you get the lavender of the same brand. I do not know the colors, but I call it lavender and cream. It feels, if you've ever used the Irish cream from Merry Maxim, this is softer. And in the catalog, it also will show, let me get to the page, it also will show you everything you got in the kit. You get 3.5 ounces, 188 yards per skein. You got a total of 8 skeins in white and 4 skeins in lavender. Oh, I thought it was more lavender. It takes a 6 hook. Yay, that's my favorite hook. And it will be finished at a 38 by 47 inch throw. One block is approximately 9 inches. For gauge, I never gauge. I don't have anything to gauge. Here's your stitch definitions so that when you see it in your pattern, you know what it means. Here's your pattern. I have to go fast so you can't see it. This is a close-up of the fancier stitching. It reminded me of a Sophie's when I seen it come this afternoon. My son and I, Creative Craftings with SC, are doing these together, and we get them as a quarterly gift. I bought us both one for Christmas. I know, kind of selfish buying it for myself, but I bought him one too. And every 3 months we get a gift, and we're gonna make this one. I don't know when I'll start mine. I have a few things on the burner right now, and I have to get back to being more regular with my content. I do apologize for not being more regular on my content coming out. Things have settled down, and they will be back to normal shortly. This is another close-up of the corner when you're done. What the corner will look like. It just looks like the grinding stitch with a little bit of a border to me. But I'm sure it will be more difficult, because if you see this right in here, it looks like it's going through. Oh boy. I'm not going to say how fast I'm doing this until I read the instructions. I've learned my lesson. There you go. There's a pretty picture. Can you see that? Let me move the paper. I'm trying to make it so the fan doesn't bother you. If it's bothering you, I do apologize. But it's 89 degrees with 84% humidity, and I'm too old for this. That is gorgeous. I appreciate you coming by. If you are a subscriber, thank you ever so much. If you are not a subscriber, please think about doing so. If you could hit that like and share button, that helps out my channel quite a bit, which makes it, not yet, but soon, will make it easier to buy these kits, because I do spend all of my own money. I do not receive anything from the company for buying my own kits. I only receive a little bit of a kickback if you use my affiliate link to buy this or any of the other products. I do have a link for Canada as well, and I will also link that down below. And this is a Mary Maxim kit. If I had forgotten to mention that before, I have to get back in the swing of this thing. Thank you ever so much, and have a great weekend. It is Friday.